This is the mini bullet journal. It comes in a set of 3 little tiny books here, and it has a wrapping, which I've since thrown out that kept it together. But the wrapping was kind of cool because it had the information of the basic bullet journal here. This goes with another book I have, and they printed on this black paper some basic notes about how to use the bullet journal in case many of you don't know. So the basic bullet journal here, I'll zoom out a bit. This is the A5 size, the standard size. And I love this. This is the same company, the Leuchtturm1917. I think the same company makes these too. You probably can get cheaper forms, but these are just, it's the best. They're the official ones. And the regular bullet journal, the minus point with this is that it's big and it's heavy, it's bulky, and you don't always want to carry that stuff, or can you carry that stuff around with you all the time? So the idea here is that instead of using the book like a regular book, you open it up and the size of it fits here. So this is an actual A6 size, and you would write down like this instead of like this, although you could do, and I will do a mix myself when I set up mine. But I'm really excited about these. I haven't started them, although I have set up my journal. But just to let you know some of the features here, you get the basic introduction page to the bullet journal. Your first page, you can write down your personal information in case you misplace it, your intentions for this particular book, and I intend to use this for 3 to 4 months at a time. I haven't tested it out yet, so we'll see, but that's going to be my intention. And here's your index page. You can do it this way or this way. It's set up for this way. And then you can basically use the stickers any way you want. The pages are numbered, and the numbers are down this way instead of this way. And the stickers here are like so. They give you a bunch of these ones to use. There's also a little booklet to put any stickers in the back. It doesn't fit in like this right now because there's so much of it, but once you fill it in, you could fold it up or whatever and basically slide it into this little space here. See if you can zoom in here a bit more. They have extra dots in the middle and at these 5 points here so that you can easily make columns or 3. It just helps you out to make the grid of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or half, whatever you want to do. So that's very useful to have that guidance. The numbering, the quality of the paper, the cover, the coating, I don't like this particular color. I think it comes in at least 2, black and this one, maybe yellow. I can't remember off the top of my head, but these are great. So I'll just give you a quick showdown. I think I started filling up one of mine with stuff. Where is it? This one? Yeah, so I've got personal information. My intentions are on the first page. Then I've got my key set up and my future log for basically 4 months here at maybe 5. And then my monthlies going down this way. And then instead of having monthlies here and with notes on the side, you use up the whole spread. And the second spread is where you write your notes, if you're familiar with the bullet journaling system. And so I have that for 4 months set up. I have a couple of charts that I like to set up in all my bullet journals. Ikigai one and flow state, and then my general domains of fulfillment. I'm going to put down my subscriptions, my books that I'm reading or want to read, my MOOCs that I want to listen to. This is tracker for cleaning and organizing, and then I'm going to put another tracker. Have I put a tracker in yet? No, that's the only one I have right now, but I plan to put in some other trackers for exercise and diet and stuff like that. And then, of course, my daily. So I'm looking forward to cracking this. And I like this particular Leuchtturm. This is the Elite cover, and it fits this notebook just perfectly. I put in some stickers over here. Could even slide another one over here if I wanted to. And this is the way I'm going to go moving forward. Makes it a bit bulkier, but I have my pen here, and the journal's protected, and I have other stuff that I have to bring with me anyway. So there you go. Bullet Journal 2, travel size. Excellent.